Hi, I'm Renee Dumont, and I help women of faith who struggle with food to align their lifestyle with biblical values, create an empowered mindset, and build a healthy relationship with food through the healing power of the Holy Spirit. I not only help you to create a happy, healthy lifestyle, but I help you to develop a deeply meaningful life. If you're sick of obsessing over calories and exercise, then I have something radically different to share with you. Something that helps women of faith heal their bodies while reconditioning their mind. We have this belief that if we can have the willpower to go on a strict way of eating, then we're going to have the body that we always dreamt of. We always believe that if we only had the shape we've always wanted, we'd be happy. What if you have the belief that because of the diet industries, the media, and social pressures, something that's not really true? We keep spending our time, our money, and hopeful energy on diet products and boot camps just to find ourselves in endless cycles of self-sabotage. What if there's a better way? A way to reshape our bodies while reconditioning our mind? A way that is stress-free and puts us on a path to building a healthy relationship with food through the healing power of the Holy Spirit. 23 years. That's how long I've been committed to the health and wellness industry and practicing a real food, real faith lifestyle. In my life-changing masterclass, I give you 4 powerful mind shifts that you can start today to reshape your mind, your body, and transform your entire life. This life-changing masterclass is free for a limited time. I mean, you can make permanent shifts starting today in the way that you eat, exercise, and live. So go ahead and register. It'll be worth every second of your time. I'll tell you why you're going to love this class. By making these shifts, you're going to learn how to transition into a real food, real faith lifestyle. That means there'll be no more track to fall off, no more counting calories, and no more obsessing over unwanted food cravings. You'll finally start to feel comfortable in your own skin and have the confidence you've always dreamt of. Be the best version of yourself and live life to its fullest. Don't start another day heading down an unfulfilling, unhealthy path. Start a brand new chapter in your life right now with this masterclass. It might just be the best decision you've ever made. Welcome.